pals. So we are here on the Disney Dream and I'm going to give you a room tour. Now this is room number 5022. All right, so let's go check it out. So as you can see, this is not your standard Oceanview room. This does have a split layout and there are only a few rooms like this on board. And right to the right, as soon as you walk in, there is the bathroom with a full-length mirror. And this is the bathroom. Now this room may be larger, but you don't get that split bath with this. You only have the toilet and the shower is in the same room, unlike many of the other rooms. Now this room can be a connecting room here, and you have a queen-size bed with plenty of space underneath to store your luggage. You got plenty of plug-ins on both sides. A huge porthole over here. We are currently at port, so there's not a great view, but you could sit in this window if you'd like. There's more plug-ins down here. You have a TV right here. Notice there's some things to hang your luggage and stuff up on. And here is your couch. Now this couch also pulls out to a single sleeper bed. And you also have the upper berth up here that pulls down into a bed. So this room can sleep 4. And here is the other side. There's also a TV over here. And if you're Castaway Club, you get all your goodies left for you. And right here's the fridge. Let me open that. This out of the way. You got some more plugs. A huge mirror right here. Plenty of storage. There's 3 drawers right here. More storage. And you get a second porthole here. And you could also sit in this window if you'd like. Again, we're at port, so it's not the best view, but you get the idea. There's an extra chair for seating. And I liked this light in our last room. Oh, maybe it's on this side. Little night light, especially if you have this bed made up for one of your little ones. And you can always ask for a portable crib, pack and play, or a bed rail if you have a toddler that will be sleeping on this. And over here is going to be your closet. Oh, plenty of storage. Life jackets. And you got a small safe. It is a drawer. I think a small laptop will fit in there. Not if your laptop's very big, it's not going to fit in there. Take a peek in here. Yeah, there's the little bed rail that we have requested.